Hey, I know you were looking for Nikki to give you a review of this coat rack, but I got the first part. I'm gonna unbox it, install it, set it up for you so you can see what this looks like, and then Nikki's gonna come talk to you about it. All right, we'll see you in a little bit.
Okay, we're here in the bedroom and I have the rack set up. I've put some articles of clothing on it. As you can see, you can fit a lot of things on here. I've squished these together to kind of demonstrate how many, things you can put on here. It fits a lot of stuff. I am thoroughly impressed. The back is great. I have some pants. I have a little dress hanging. At the bottom, we've got some shoes, which is perfect. On the side, I love this. When you have extra items, you can pull it out. Fill both of these sides up with extra things. How great is that option? And then, overall, I think it can be used in a bedroom, in a laundry room. It's just perfect. Loving it. And nice sturdy quality, and also loving the fact that it's on rollers so I can move it around. See you next time.